Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are making terracotta earring, and for that I'm using a bottle cap. So this cap is in square. So as you can see, I'm cutting the extra clay and also will be trimming the edges with the same knife. So next I'm using the carving tool to give the impression. So next I'm using a circular object to give a circular impression. You can use refill or anything that is in circular shape. We are going to cut it from the center. Next I'm using the needle, the back side of the needle, to give the impression. So now I'm going to attach the U-pin. So to give a complete look, I'm using few hanging beads on the sides, and on the center I'll be using a Rudraksh bead, and below that there will be a small hanging bead. So our next step is to make the stud. For that I'm using a cap, round cap, and will be cutting it into a circle. So once this is done, I'm using a small liner cap, which is a smaller in size, and taking a center and just making an impression. So once this is done, same with the needle tool, I'll be giving the impression on the edges. And with the help of U-pin, I'll be attaching the both the pieces together. So this is how our complete earrings looks like. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.